Hello children, how are you? Hope you are safe and staying healthy at home children. Today we are going to start lesson 3. What is the lesson 3 in math subject children? Open your textbooks. Today I am going to take maths class. So what is the lesson 3? Multiples and factors. Multiples and factors. Let us discuss about what is meant by factor and what is meant by multiple. And before going that, this warm-up table, you do this warm-up table after end of the chapter, because up to that you come to know what is called multiple, what is called factor, and composite numbers, prime numbers, co-prime numbers, twin prime numbers, perfect numbers. Okay, so we will finish this warm-up after the end of this chapter. Okay, so let us see. First we have to discuss about multiples and factors. Let us see the example children. Open your textbooks, page number 106. Page number 106. Today we are going to see the multiples and what is meant by multiple, what is meant by factors. See the example children. Revati has a hobby of collecting her friends' photographs. Okay. She want to paste the photos in an album she purchased. She want to paste the photos in an album. So she purchased album and she want to paste her friends' photographs. She makes some arrangements. Let us see the arrangement what she made here. So arrangement 1. So she has 6 friends children. All the photographs in one row should come means, so 1 into 6 is equals to 6. So in one line means we can do as per rule 1 into 6 is equals to 6. Arrangement 2. In 2 rows she should paste the 6 photographs. Then means 2 into 3. How many members? 6 members. So 2 into 3 equal to 6. So these are the arrangements she did. So when we multiply any 2 or more numbers, we get product. We get product. Each number is the factor of a product. Each number is the factor of the product. Let us see an example children. See the board. Find out the factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? First we will see 1 into 12 is equals to 12. We will see the pair of numbers which we multiply, we will get the product 12. 1 into 12, 12. Yes. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 4, 12. So these are the numbers which we get the product as 12. Remaining other, if you do the product also, we don't get the answer 12, isn't it? So let us divide these pairs and write here 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 6, 12. These are the factors of a 12. What is meant by factor? A factor is a number that can divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. So a number divides the other number, leaving the remainder 0. Leaving the remainder 0. If a number divides the other number, then that number is called a factor of each other. Understood? So here I have taken 12. Okay. First we will divide 12 with 12. 12 ones are 12. Okay. Next 1 with 12. 1 12s are 12. What is the remainder in both cases children? 0. That means a number exactly divides the other number, then that number is called the factor of that number. Isn't it? Next you divide with 3. You divide 12 by 3. Divide 3. 3 fours are 12. We'll get the remainder 0. Divide the 12 by 4. 4 threes are 12. In both cases we get the remainder 0 or not. So 3 and 4 are factors of 12. 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Same. 6 factors of 12. 6 is the factor of 12. So this is meant by a factor. A factor is a number. Here in your textbook they give a factor is a number that can divide another number exactly without leaving a remainder. Or we can define it as a factor is nothing but a number exactly divides the other number, then that number is nothing but factor. That number is the factor of that number. So this is about the factor. Here they gave 1, 2, 3 and 6 are factors of 6. Yes. 1 6 are 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 6 1 6. Okay. Next now we discuss about the multiples. Now we discuss about the multiples. You know the tables children? Up to 2 to 20 you should be familiar. Okay, I will send the worksheets regarding tables also. If you check here, 2 ones, 2, 2 twos, 4, 2 threes, 6, 2 fours, 8, 2 fives, 10, 2 6, 12, 2 sevens, 14, 2 eights, 16, 2 nines, 18, 2 tens, 20. Now, what are the multiples of 2 means? These are all called the multiples of 2, children. These are all called the multiples of 2. So, 2 multiples 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See here, these are all called multiples of 2. If I ask multiples of 6, you are able to write multiples of 6. So, these are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. If you write 6 table also, will get multiples of 6. So, like that. In your textbook, they have given the example. So all these are factors of 24. So 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Because all these numbers divide 24 without leaving a remainder. In other words, we can say that 24 is a multiple of all these numbers because 24 comes in the multiplication tables of these numbers. So that's why they have given here. Turn the page number 108, children. See here. First, they have written the numbers 1 to 24, isn't it? So that means every number has the factor as 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. So that's why we can write from 1 to 24. 24 ones are 24. In two multiples here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 2 tens, 20, 2 11s, 22, 2 12s, 24. In two multiples we got 24 or not. That means 24 is divisible by 2. Remainder is 0. So exactly that number is divisible by 2. So that means this is the multiple of 2. Next 3 multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 are again. You got the number or not in 3 multiples also. Next 4 you see. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 4, 6, 24. So this is also multiple of 4. Multiple of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Yes. 24 is divisible by 6. 24 is divisible by 8. 24 is divisible by 12. 24 is divisible by 24 again. So like this we need to write the multiples of every number. Okay. Now let us see the properties of factors and multiples in next class, children. So up to now, hope you have understood what is meant by a factor and what is meant by a multiples. Okay, next class we will discuss about properties of factors and multiples. Okay, thank you, children.